Welcome to Acharya Coding School, guys. In this session, in this video, we will try to understand how to take a user input with the help of Python code. So, guys, you can take any variable X, Y, Z, whatever you like, and here you will be using inbuilt function called input. And here, what you are expecting from a user. You might be expecting the age of the user. So here you can give a prompt, enter your age, simple as this. But guys, there's a one problem here. If you're using input, so by default, the data type of the entered data will be string data type, but you are expecting age. So you have to do a simple typecasting here, int, and here input. Let's go to the VS Code and do it practically. So here I'm taking x is equal to input and enter your age. So guys, let's print you are, you can say here you are 365. Okay, here you can write 365 multiply age, days old. Okay, days old. So age is right now we haven't initialized this. So let's say x is age only. Okay, x is age only. So let's run the code, and I want to enter my age. But see here, if you check, there is a too much big number. This is happening because the inbuilt data type of entered age is not integer, it is string. So I have to do a typecasting here, int of input here, and simply now I will run the same code. First let me clear the screen, and now I say 32 and I'm getting you are 11,680 days old.